Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate videos and have it like lip sync a word using Lemon Slice. So you can either use this picture, you can also select image or video here. I think I'm just going to upload a picture. Well, if it takes too long, I'll just use it. Okay. Select it, and then you're going to select the face here. So I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm just going to select the space like this, confirm selection, and then the audio, you can select audio here. You can use the voice changer. There's a bunch of them, and you can even make your own voice. Let's do this. And then change voice. Oh, okay, it's not available, so this is the only thing I can do right now. Then you're going to adjust these. I'm just going to generate video here. And then this is what the video should look like. It's not free, so I can't show you guys like if you want to change basically the text of it to say what you want the avatar to say. But I guess I'll be right back when it's done. I think it's going to take a few minutes here. And this is what the video should look like at the end.
You are the coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
Cool.
You are the coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
Oh, lagging. Let's do that one more time.
You are the coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
Okay, well, clearly it's lagging, but once you're done, just download clip, and that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!